From export terminals to power generation, from chemical plants to shipping fleets, Nikiso keeps ammonia flowing safely. With a legacy in pump innovation and ammonia expertise, we're proud to offer a new generation of pumps ready to meet modern ammonia handling demands. Our ammonia pumps are optimized for a wide range of applications, designed for unmatched durability, efficiency and safety. Each pump features a flood-clean filtration system that eliminates fluid contamination, ensuring long-term protection for high-performance components. A shaft line with 3 solid ceramic bearings and specially designed wear rings last 3 times longer, requiring minimal maintenance. A balanced drum design cancels axial thrust for longer component life. Copper-free motor windings resist ammonia corrosion, enabling safe internal fluid cooling, eliminating the need for an external gaseous nitrogen line. And our vibration sensors live within the pump housing for more accurate monitoring. Every detail is engineered for operational safety. We're by your side every step of the way, making maintenance safer, easier and more cost-effective. Copper-free connections and double-sealed cable feed-throughs resist corrosion and ensure fully hermetic power feed and instrumentation signal transmission. A sealless design guarantees complete environmental containment, even under extreme conditions. And our unique foot valve hermetic lock system ensures our pumps are ammonia-free on removal. Nikiso ammonia pumps set a new global standard. With expertise and availability across the world, we're here to help you operate efficiently and responsibly. We're ready to protect your assets, ready to support your people, ready to move ammonia.